How to play BlockBlast best method. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play BlockBlast, the fun and challenging puzzle game that's taking the mobile world by the storm. If you're new to the game or looking for tips to improve, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things, what you need to do is open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for BlockBlast. Now simply click on Get to download it. Now you may need to simply use the Face ID or fingerprint to simply download it. Simply open the app and you'll be taken to the main menu, that is the gameplay. And what you need to know is Block Blast is a tile matching game where you need to simply match the tiles and simply create a line or something like that. When you create a line, it will be simply finished. The block falls in the play area and you can match them by tapping on the same tiles. As you progress through the game, you'll unlock power-ups that help clear more blocks at once. Block Blast also has a timer, so it's important to make your moves quickly. The timer runs out after a certain period and you'll need to make as many moves as possible before time is up. And that's it. Those are some of the best methods to simply play the Block Blast game.